Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, in first, let me introduce myself. I am Wahyu Adrianto. I will explain about fear solution that invasive fungi will completely wipe out Hawaii's iconic native tree. Hawaii's red blossom ohia is tough enough to colonize recent lava flows. But until this summer, the iconic native tree seemed to 4 years ago. An invasive fungus began to kill ohia or Metrosideros polymorpha on the island of Hawaii. By now, the plague has spread across 800 square kilometers. The news got worse when toiletries tested positive for the fungus on the neighboring island of Kauai, fueling fears that rapid ohia death or ROD will spread to stay. Aerial surveys and studies on the lab now suggest that some ohia will survive. The killer fungus turned out to be two distinctly related species. One of them, placed gently to ohia and some trees, seems to have native resistance to both strains. Management practices such as fencing out animals also appear to slow the spread of the fungus. We are not going to see an extension of ohia, predicts Flynn's head of the USA Forest Service Pacific Southwest Research Stations in Hilo, who is coordinating ROG research. As we understand it more, our management tools are improving and we are learning about the potentials weak points of the fungus and the strengths of ohia. Key difference between the two ohia killers. Ceratocitis leucohenia, which lay trace in weeks by clogging their circulatory system, and C. willohenia, which causes canker sores and seems less gently. Pyrite fungi cause rot in sweet potatoes and pineapples and affect cacao and mango trees, among other plants. Kids' chemical studies determined that the ohia's gentler food comes from Latin America, whereas the less aggressive fungus, which is infecting trees on Kauai, may have been imported from Asia or Australia. Affected trees turn dark red, then silvery gray as they die. Larger trees seem most susceptible, possibly because they are more injury prone and provide a greater protection for windborne cells just carrying the pathogens. Fungi seems to infect on walnut trees, such as those on which animals have fur, mulch, or roots around the base. Those behind fence are less vulnerable. Some really strong evidence that feral animals are spreading the fungus, accompanying walnut trees and making them more susceptible to infections. Domestic livestock can also do damage between finch and not finch. Protected trees are healthier, knowing that finch can have a very positive impact. It's very interesting.